Today we're going to be changing the domes and filters on these ReSound demo devices. Your domes might look a little bit different than what you see here today. That's okay. Each of these has different sizes for different ears, but how to change them is still the same. So let's get started. My name is Dr. Lamb. I'm with Lake Medical Hearing Center, and today I'm showing you how to change the domes and filters on your ReSound devices. Now, in my office, when patients get these hearing aids, they also get a package of domes, which are the gray pieces in here, as well as filters, which come in this packaging here. Okay, the domes are this piece here on the end, and then the filters are these white pieces on the ends of the stick. Sometimes hard to see. On the hearing aid, the dome is at the end of the wire connected to sometimes the red for the right ear or the blue for the left ear. To remove the dome, you're going to hold the receiver box and then you're going to pull the light gray piece off the receiver. Underneath, you can see there's the white filter. To replace the filter, you're going to get one of the filter tools or removal sticks, and the one side has a barb, there, we can see it there, to remove the old one, and a clean new filter on the other side. So what we'll do is we're going to line the barb side first up with the hearing aid. We're going to press straight in and then pull it straight out to remove the old filter. And then you can see there's no more filter here. Then we flip it over and we're going to line it back up and we're going to press straight in, straight out to put the new filter on. After we've done that, this stick, this tool is discarded, and the old dome, the dirty dome, is also discarded. In its place, we have a new dome, a new replacement here, and you can see the center there is a little bit thicker. That's what I call the stem, and that lines up with the end of our receiver. We're really just going to press them together, and you have to press a little harder than you think in order to put that dome back on. And then I like to pull it in the wrong direction. Just give it a little tug, make sure that it's actually on the device fully. Okay, so again, we're going to change the left side. You just hold on to the receiver box, grab that dome, and you're going to pinch and pull it off to get that earpiece off. We'll discard that. Underneath is the white filter, so we'll take the filter stick or filter tool, line that up, straight in, straight out to remove the old one, flip it over, straight in, straight out to push the new earpiece, the new dome on. I'm sorry, that's the filter. And then you get the new dome and you put the dome back on. You just push them together. And you have now successfully changed the domes and filters on your ReSound devices. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day.